Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Now I am dealing with 10th class maths, coordinate geometry, and in this coordinate geometry, area of triangle. How to find out area of a triangle. So the first one is consider the points A 0, 4 and B 6, 0 which form a triangle with origin O. Then find on a plane, find the area of triangle AOB. Plane in the sense, let us take coordinate axis x and y. These two are the coordinate axis x and y. O is the origin. So what are the ordered pairs of O? 0, 0. Now you have got a point A. Let us suppose this 0, 4. This is point A. And a point B. This is B. Its ordered pairs are 6, 0. These two, when you join, you are getting a triangle OAB with origin. Find the area of triangle OAB. So actually, area of triangle AOB can be taken as it is a right angle triangle, we know pretty well. So it is nothing but half base into height. This formula we can take. Half into what is base? Base is OA into what is height? OB. So that is nothing but half into what is OA, children? 0 to this means 4 units into this is 0 to 6. 0 to 4, 0 to 6. That is 6. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. That is 12. Therefore, area of triangle AOB is equal to 12 square units. Because we don't know what are the units, so we will be writing it as 12 square units. So be clear, children. This kind of problems you are going to get in short answers. So if the triangle is formed by this coordinate axis and with origin, if the triangle is formed, it's a very simple method. Half base into height you have to use to determine this. If it is not this, what we have to do? There is a derivation I will teach you. Plus, just first you identify this, copy it, understand that when you are asked to find out area of a triangle which is formed with the coordinate axis O as one of the point or at origin, then we have to draw the figure and make the points like this, and directly half base into height formula we can use. Now, if area of normal triangle, it is not on the coordinate axis. If it is given, this is the coordinate axis, children, x and y, and this is a triangle given to you. In this triangle, A coordinate is x1, y1, B coordinate is x2, y2, C coordinate is x3, y3. Now its area you need to find out. Actually, to find out this area, it is not possible to find the area directly as you are doing, you have done in the previous topic. So we have to derive a formula. Every time you need not use this derivation, children, but understand how the formula of area of triangle you have got. Afterwards, sometimes in the essay question, they are asking you to derive a formula for area of a triangle. So in that case, you have to do what I am teaching now. If they are directly giving you, find the area of a triangle with so and so vertices, ABC vertices, if they have given and ask you to find out area, directly you can use the formula and do it. But derivation also is important because sometimes in essay type questions they are asking derive the area of a triangle. So let us understand how the formula has been derived. Now here, children, you have got triangle ABC. Now first thing what you have to do is, you have to draw the perpendicular lines like this. From A, from B, and from C. You have to draw perpendicular lines in this way. So let me call this point as B, this point as Q, this point as R. Now here, if you want to find out area of triangle in this figure, first you write the construction part, what you are doing. Construction is nothing but draw AP perpendicular to x-axis and draw it is AQ, children, sorry, AQ perpendicular to x-axis, BP perpendicular to x-axis, and draw CR perpendicular to x-axis. This is the construction. That is why we have drawn it in the broken line. Now we need to find out area of triangle ABC. What is area of triangle ABC, children? See, we are getting one trapezium because these two are perpendicular to x-axis, means these are parallel lines. So the quadrilateral we have got here is called as trapezium. Similarly, we have got trapezium 1, and this is also a trapezium, second trapezium. So if you are finding area of trapezium ABPQ, in that a part of triangle ABC is included. Similarly, if you are finding out area of AQRC, another trapezium, another part is included. So if you join these two parts, you are getting area of triangle. But how can you join? When you are joining this, that means this area and this area, the bottom area also is getting included. So what you have to do? From area of say ABPQ plus AQRC. From this sum, you have to subtract BPRC. This is also a trapezium. Why? Because these two lines are parallel. So we have to subtract this BCPR, BCRPR, BPRC. So if you subtract this part, you are going to get area of triangle. So how will you write? Area of triangle ABC is nothing but area of trapezium ABPQ plus area of trapezium AQRC minus area of trapezium, what is it? BPRC. This is the way in which you have to do, children. So let us see one by one. First we will find out area of triangle, area of trapezium ABPQ. Actually trapezium formula is half h into a plus b, area formula. So half into, what is h for A, B, P, Q? Height. Height is nothing but the perpendicular. This can be considered as height. That is PQ into A. A is opposite parallel sides we are talking about. AQ plus BP. AQ plus BP. Our area of trapezium is half PQ into AQ plus BP. So this is equal to half. What is PQ? See, the coordinate of Q, x1. Because if A is x1, perpendicular we have drawn. So definitely from here to here, this value is also x1. PQ or else, let me write first OQ minus OP, isn't it? OQ minus OP will give you PQ into AB plus BP. So half into OQ is nothing but X1 minus OP is nothing but X2 into AB, AQ plus BP, AQ plus BP. AQ means from here to here, it is height is Y1 plus BP. What is BP? Y2. Half into X1 minus X2 into Y1 plus Y2. So let me first multiply and find out what is this answer. Half into X1 into Y1 is X1 Y1 plus X1 Y2 minus X2 Y1. X2 into Y1 is X2 Y1 plus into minus X2 Y2. So this is the area of trapezium ABPQ. Now let me go for area of trapezium. Next to trapezium is what? AQRC. AQRC. This trapezium. Area of trapezium AQRC. This is nothing but half H into A plus P. So this is nothing but half into H. What is H again here? This perpendicular. This becomes the height. Height is QR. Half into QR into A. A is parallel side. CR plus AQ. Half into CR plus AQ. So this is nothing but half into, how do you get QR? OR minus OQ. So this is OR minus OQ into CR plus AQ. This is nothing but half into OR from here to here, our X value. This is X3 means this also is becoming X3. So OR is X3 minus OQ. OQ X1, so Q also X1 already we have written. X3 minus X1 into CR. CR, that is this height. This is Y3. Y3 plus AQ. AQ is Y1. Okay. So let us see. Multiply again. Half into X3 Y3 plus X3 Y1. X3 Y3 plus X3 Y1 minus X1 Y3 minus X1 Y1. So this is the trapezium area. Area of trapezium AQRC. Now find out, let us find out area of trapezium. What is the other trapezium? We have got third one, BPRC. Area of trapezium BPRC is equal to half H into A plus B. So this is equal to half H. So here this is the one. So this is the trapezium. H becomes this one, PR. This is the height. Half H. H is PR into A. What is A? CR plus B, BP. So this is nothing but half into, what is PR? OR minus OP. OR minus OP into CR plus BP. This is nothing but half into OR, x coordinate, x3 minus OP, again x coordinate, that is x2 into CR. What is CR? This is height, CR, y3 plus what is BP? BP is x2. BP y2. So this is equal to half into x3 y3 plus x3 y2 minus x2 y3 minus x2 y2. I hope I am clear, children. x3 into y3, x3 y3 plus x3 into y2, x3 y2. Now you have minus here. So minus x2 into y3, x2 y3 minus into plus minus x2 into y2, x2 y2. So these are the various values that we have got for this, children. So I have no space to continue this. If you copy this, I will continue the next part. Okay. Now children, we have got these values in the previous video. That is area of AQ, area of trapezium ABPQ is this. Area of trapezium AQRC is this. Area of trapezium BPRC is this. So how will you get area of triangle ABC? Area of trapezium ABPQ plus area of trapezium AQRC minus area of trapezium BPRC. So these all values. These two values you have to add and this you have to subtract. So this, now let us take the values given for this. So this is nothing but area of triangle ABPQ. I'll write from here, children. We need lots of space. So area of triangle ABC is equal to trapezium ABPQ area. So half into x1 y1 plus x1 y2 minus x2 y1 minus x2 y2. So this is the area, say x1 y1 plus x1 y2 minus x2 y1 minus x2 y2. Okay, this is the first one plus area of AQ RC, half into x3 y3 plus x3 y1 minus x1 y3 minus x1 y1. This is the second one. Now go for third one, BPRC. This is minus half into x3 y3 plus x3 y2 minus x2 y3 minus x2 y2. Now in these cases, children, half is common. So let me take out half out. Half, then I am writing modulus. Instead of brackets, I am writing modulus. Why am I writing modulus? Because area of triangle should be always positive. It can't be negative. So I have to take modulus. Then half already I have taken. Let me copy this. x1 y1 plus x1 y2 minus x2 y1 minus x2 y2. I have copied this. Next, here also half already I have taken. So remaining plus x3 y3 plus x3 y1 minus x1 y3 minus x1 y1. So I have copied this x3 y3 plus x3 y1 minus x1 y3 minus x1 y1. Let me write one properly. Okay, Now I have to subtract. I need to subtract means what, children? All these values signs will change. So it was having x3 y3 positive. So now it becomes minus x3 y3. And this is positive. It becomes minus x3 y2. This is minus becomes plus x2 y3. This is minus, it becomes a plus x2 y2. So you are getting this half modulus. Now can we cancel anything? Let us see. Plus x1 y1 here, minus x1 y1 here. Let us cancel. x1 y2 is there. Is there any x1 y2? No, you cannot cancel. x2 y1 is there. Is there any x2 y1? No. Then x2 y2 minus x2 y2. Is there any x2 y2 here? Plus x2 y2. So x2 y2. This we are cancelling. x3 y3. This is plus x3 y3 minus x3 y3. This also you have to cancel. Next, x3 y1. Is there anything? No. x1 y3. You don't have. x3 y2, x2 y3 also is left behind. That means what? What are getting cancelled? x1 y1, x1 y1. x2 y2, x2 y2. x3 y3, x3 y3 are cancelling. So it is very convenient for you to remember. Now let us write what are left behind. Half modulus x1 y2 minus x2 y1 plus x3 y1 minus x1 y3 again minus x3 y2 plus x2 y3. These are left behind. See children, x1 y2 minus x2 y1 again plus y3 x3 y1 minus x1 y3 again minus x3 y2 plus x2 y3. So now what we will do, children, are like terms, means basing on x, all x1s together, x2s together, x3s together we will write. That is half modulus x1 y2, I have written this. Again I have got x1 y3 minus x1 y3. Again x2 y2 minus is there, x2 y3 plus is there. So let me write first plus x2 y3 minus x2 y1. So these two also I have completed. Next x3 y3 plus x3 y1 minus x3 y2. So these two I have taken all the values, children. So if you want, you can even count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All the values I have taken. So this what I can do is half modulus. In these two, x1 is common, y2 minus y3 plus. In this x2 is common, y3 minus y1 plus. In this x3 is common, y1 minus y2. This is the formula, children, for area of triangle. Half modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 is the formula for area of triangle. But children, remembering this formula, you may be getting confused. So, the easiest way of remembering this, I will tell you. I'll tell you here, children. What is the easiest way of remembering the formula? Area of triangle A, B, C is equal to half modulus of course he will write. See half modulus and first see how easy it is. Write x y minus y plus x into y minus y plus x into y minus y 3 times. X into y minus y plus x into y minus y plus x into y minus y 3 times you write. Now, see here children, 1, 2, 3 numbers you have to go in a cyclic way. First what you will do, write these values for x. First you write x1, this is x2, this is x3. x1, x2, x3 you have written. After writing it, go for this cyclic order. That means if you have 1, for y you write 2 and 3. 1 is here now, so 2, 3. Again, you have 2, so write 3 and 1. So 3 and 1. And you have 3, write 1 and 2. See, the same formula you are getting, x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y minus y1 minus y2. So it's so conveniently, so easily you can remember. Once again I will write children, half modulus. First you write x into y minus y plus x into y minus y plus x into y minus y. Modulus. This is modulus. Now write numbers 1, 2, 3 for x. So go for cyclic way. 1, 2, 3 cyclic way. After 1, 2, after 2, 3, after 3, 1. So 1 is here. Remaining 2 and 3, put it here. Here 2 is there. Remaining 3 and 1, you put it here. Then 3 is there. Then remaining 1 and 2, you put it here. You have got the formula ready. So if you know the formula, very conveniently you can find out the area of triangle. So the derivation, of course, it is very lengthy children. You should see very carefully. You have to keep all the values along with the signs. Otherwise, this cancellation you don't get properly, then you cannot derive the formula. But you need to learn how to find the area of a triangle, because in essay type, sometimes they are asking this question, derive area of a triangle. So the derivation is very important children. Please note it down. Whatever the clue that I have given to you, that is important children. If you remember that, always we need not mugging up of numbers like this is very difficult children. But see how simply we have done this area by using that cyclic way of 1, 2, 3 and x into y minus y plus x into y minus y plus x into y minus y 3 times, and this 1, 2, 3. It's very easy, very convenient formula. If you use that method, please note it down. Now this example children, example 18, find the area of a triangle whose vertices are 1 comma minus 1 and minus 4 comma 6 minus 3 comma minus 5. These are the values given to us. So let us first write x1 y1 is equal to 1 comma minus 1, x2 y2 is equal to minus 4 comma 6 and x3 y3 they are minus 3 comma minus 5. Now we know area of triangle. Area of triangle, it's a formula, is equal to half modulus. As I said, write down x into y minus y plus x into y minus y plus x into y minus y. So 1, 2, 3. If 1 is there, 2 and 3. If 2 is there, 3 and 1. 3 is there, 1 and 2. So we have got the formula very easily. Now let us substitute these values. Half into, what is x1? 1 into y2. What is y2? 6 minus y3 minus 5. So by 6, I'll take this bracket because I need one more bracket here. 6 minus of minus 5 plus x2. What is x2? Minus 4 into y3. y3 is minus 5 minus y1. y1 is minus 1 again. You have got two brackets. So minus 1 plus x3. What is x3? Minus 3 into y1. y1 is minus 1 minus y2 is 6. See, you have taken the values. Now let us simplify. Half modulus 1 into 6 plus 5. This is minus 4, no? So plus into minus, you can write minus 4 into minus 5 plus 1. Okay? Again, plus into minus, minus 3 into minus 7. This is equal to half modulus 1 into 11 minus 4 into minus 4. And here already I have taken minus 3 into minus plus 3 sevens are 21. So how much are you getting here? Half modulus 11 plus 16 plus 21. That is nothing but half modulus. This is 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4. Half modulus 48 you have got. So area of triangle is equal to half into 48. So 2 2s are 2 4s are, that is 24. Therefore area of triangle is equal to 24 square units. This is the answer, children. Please note it down. So if you know the formula, doing the sum is very easy. Example 19, children. It is again, find the area of a triangle formed by the points A 5, 2, B 4, 7, C 7, 4. So what are given? Let us write. Coordinates of A is equal to 5, 2. In the earlier case, they have not given the letters A, B, C. So directly we have taken x1, y1, x2, y2. But here they have given coordinates. So you consider this as x1, y1. And coordinates of B is equal to 4, 7, x2, y2. Coordinates of C 7, minus 4, x3, y3. So you need area of triangle ABC. Write the formula. Half modulus x into y minus y plus x into y minus y plus x into y minus y. 1, 2, 3. 1 is there, so 2 and 3. 2 is there, 3 and 1. 3 is there, 1 and 2. So you have written the formula. This is equal to half modulus x1 is 5 into y2 7 minus y3 minus 4. So bracket 7 minus of minus 4 plus x2 4 into, I'll write this only, y3. y3 is minus 4 minus y1 is 2. I can write the normal bracket, children, plus x3. What is x3? 7. x3 is 7 into y1. y1 is 2. So 2 minuses I am going to get. So let me draw big bracket. y1 is 2 minus y2. Oh, 7. y2 is 7. So normal and I can draw. y2 7 into y1 is 2 minus y2 is 7. So let us simplify. Half modulus 5 into 7 plus 4 plus 4 into minus 6 plus 7 into minus 5. That means half modulus 5 into 11 plus 4 into minus 6 plus 7 into minus 5. So let us continue. This is half modulus 5 into 11, 55, plus into minus, minus 6 fours are 24, plus into minus, minus 7 fives are 35 modulus. So you are getting half modulus 55 minus 59, 24 plus 35, 5 plus 4, 9, 3 plus 2, 5. So half modulus, actually this becomes minus 4. Why? Because this is 55 minus 59. We know about it. This means, this is why we are taking modulus, children. When you take modulus, if you get a negative, that should be taken as positive. Half into 2. Sorry, 4. This is 4. Half into 4. Minus 4 becomes plus 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So 2. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is equal to 2 square units. This is the answer for this problem, children. I hope this example has given a perfect solution for why are we taking modulus. See, in the earlier case, we have got positive, so we need not worry, we have taken the number as it is. But here if you see we have got a negative. So because we have kept modulus sign, negative can be taken as positive. That is why in the formula of area of triangle, half modulus you are having without any bracket. So please understand, children, this is the some example 19. So with this I am going to conclude my topic. In the next class I will be doing the next part.